We are live with Burro News, and this is Burro News, the tire change problems. Find out more on the YouTube channel. This video is insane. You may not think it's that interesting, but I promise this video will change your life and whole perspective on Burro News. Check out at the Burro News channel and check out for more, like our opening broadcast and the flying spider webs. So much to learn and explore on the Burro News channel. Thank you so much for watching and just be so excited for this. Thank you so much and check out Burro News tire change problems on the channel.
I'm not anymore. I'm done with that.
Huh?
I've sat here for far too long.
Jeez, that's a big old tire.
I just